Assalamualaikum. This is Nusrat Farhana, ID 181002183. Today I am here for share my experience of tree plantation. This is my first tree plantation and I inspired by my honorable teacher Lala ma'am. I have so many things to learn from this tree plantation, like effect of economy, how to plant and maintain of these trees, etc. So this is the introduction part, and now I want to share which economy are related to this plantation. The two trees I planted were papaya and eggplant. It's possible to relate to many terms of economics. Firstly, I describe which economics principle are related to the tree plantation. Principle 2. The cost of something is what you give up to get it is related my plantation. So question is how? For this plantation, my 100 taka cost for buying those tree, and the benefits is fruits and oxygen. Note that the cost of an action is not an obvious. So here I spent some cost for want to get something. That's why I called this is the principle 2, which is the cost of something is what you give up to get it. Another term are related, which is public goods and common resources. My tree plantations can be called public goods, so it's excludable and rival in consumption. It's excludable because when the papaya tree bears fruit, no one can take that fruit if they want to or take it as food. If anyone wants to take it, I can exclude or prevent it. The other thing is that it rivals in consumption because the oxygen generated from the eggplant and papaya trees will spread throughout the environment. So everyone can take as much oxygen as they want without cost. So it also rivals in consumption. This is my presentation for you all. Thank you everyone. Good day.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Parvez Hussain from Department of CSE. My ID is 181002085. Now I am talk about my tree plantation project, which name is Green Economy project. So let's see my project. I plant various types of vegetables like bean, calabash, papaya and chilies. Now I will try to discuss about economics. The tragedy of the commons. The tragedy of the commons as part of the mainstream economics theory. We know the tragedy of the common is a situation in a shared resource system where individual users acting independently according to their self-interest. So this tree plantation is the tragedy of the common because here I work individual and independently. These vegetables collect our family day by day. Then we can serve it long time. Now I will discuss another topics is positive externality. Positive externality means it impact positivity in the society. In this project we plant various vegetables. There are lots of positive factors. In this vegetable, tree can help the environment by giving more oxygen and consuming more carbon dioxide. We can fulfill our vegetable demand by these vegetable trees. So we can say that green economy related to a positive externality.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমি মাহমুদা আক্তার। আমার লাগানো গাছ হচ্ছে মরিচ গাছ আর পুদিনা গাছ। আজকে আপনাদেরকে সেটাই দেখাবো। আমি আমার বাসার বারান্দায় বিভিন্ন গাছের সাথে আরও 2টি গাছ যোগ করেছি গ্রিন ইকোনমিক প্রজেক্টের জন্য। এই 2টি গাছ হলো মরিচ গাছ এবং পুদিনা গাছ। গাছগুলোর নিয়মিত পরিচর্যা এবং যত্নের ফলে আমার মরিচ গাছে অনেক মরিচের ফুল এসেছে এবং পুদিনা গাছগুলো অনেক বড় এবং সতেজ হয়েছে, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। আমার এই প্রজেক্টের সাথে ইকোনমিকের প্রিন্সিপালগুলোর মধ্যে পিপল রেসপন্ড টু ইনসেন্টিভের মিল রয়েছে। যেমন এই প্রজেক্টটি খুব সুন্দরভাবে সম্পূর্ণ করতে পারলে আমি নাম্বার পাবো এবং নাম্বার পেলে আমার গ্রেড বাড়বে, আর তাই এই কারণে প্রজেক্টটি আমি চালিয়ে গিয়েছি। সুতরাং আমি নাম্বার পাওয়ার জন্য যে এই নির্দিষ্ট কাজটি অর্থাৎ আমার এই প্রজেক্টটি করতে উদ্বুদ্ধ হয়েছি, তাই এটিকে আমরা বলতে পারি পিপল রেসপন্ড টু ইনসেন্টিভ। আমার এই প্রজেক্টটি দেখার জন্য ধন্যবাদ।
Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. This is Farjana Shahab, ID 181002046, Department of CSE from DB section. Today I am here to discuss about my tree plantation, whose economic terms are related with my plantation. I was planting pulsar trees and brinjal trees here. Opportunity cost terms of microeconomics are related to my plantation. Opportunity cost, which is give up to get it something. The time I spent watching movies and sleeping. I tended to the trees, so my opportunity cost here is the time of watching movies. One another positive externality terms related to my plantation. Positive externality means it impacts the positivity in the society. Lots of positive factors of my plantations. Plantations of trees improve the life and fulfill essential needs of mankind. Trees cleanse the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the environment and releasing oxygen. The trees cool the environment through their leaves by absorbing the sun heat. So all of you plant a tree and save the world.
Hello everybody who listening to me. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here to discuss about my last 3-month experience of tree plantation and also discuss about which economics terms are related to my plantation. So this is Muhammad Shahjalal, ID 181002079, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This is the introduction part of mine, and now I discuss about my. Firstly, I want to share my experience. The 4 trees I planted here are pepper, spinach, mint leaves, and pushak. I have planted and cared for trees for the first time. The matter was quite difficult for me, but over time that is likely to change. There was a time in my daily routine when I was tending the tree and I had a good time. And the pepper tree was almost dying in it. But now as a result of care, the pepper has come to the tree. So I am more than happy and excited. So I will keep it this continuity inshallah. The economic principle 3, regional people think at the margin, is related to my plantation. Let's introduce the 2 terms regional people and marginal cost. Who the systematically and purposely do the best to achieve their objectives is called regional people. And a small incremental adjustment to a plan of action is the marginal change. When I chosen the tree for plantation, I make the decision by comparing marginal benefits and marginal cost. If I had bought sampling from the shop, it would have cost me 150 taka. But I bought the samplings from a friend of mine and it didn't cost me anything. But I am getting proper outcome. So the principle 3, people think at the margin, is compatible. It is also compatible with free rider problem economic terms. Is a person who received the benefits of a goods or services without paying for it is a free rider. This tree and fruit and everyone in the family will take it as food, but no one want to pay for it. So that's why I called it a free rider problem. I can call it public goods and it will not be excludability and rival in consumption. Lastly, I want to give big thanks my honorable teacher Laila Ferdousi Ontime. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity. Thank you all. Good day, good life.